How does attachment lead to suffering?
If we have a strong attachment to the mundane world, then when we face such a problem, we can feel more strongly. And if we don't have much attachment to the mundane world, then even we face crisis or problems, we will not feel the suffering much. We will feel less suffering. For example, if we lost an invaluable object, then we will not feel sad. And if we lost a precious object, then we feel sad. And whether we feel sad or not, it does not depend on the object. It depends on our feeling. It depends on our mind. If we have a more attachment, then if we lose that, we will have more suffering. And if we don't have attachment to such object, then even if it is lost, we don't feel much suffering. And also, like some things we buy for temporary use, for only one-time use, such as if you buy like plastic plates or cups, then after using one time, then we will throw it. We don't have attachment. Then even if we throw it, we will not feel sad because it's we don't have the attachment. And if you buy a precious thing like car or house, then if we lost that, then we feel sad or suffering because we have attachment. So it depends on the attachment. And if we have attachment to the object, it means we have attachment to the samsara. So if we have attachment to the samsara, as it is said by Manjushri in his 4-line teaching, which is called departing from the four attachment, if you have attachment to the samsara, you don't have the renunciation thought.